Welcome to Ayudhas Commerce Academy. Myself, Professor Pradvit Chins Malatpure. Today, we will discuss about financial management. The name of subject is financial management. Financial management. Management. Financial management play a vital role. Means I want to say the Indian economy, the economy of world based on financial management. That's why I want to use a word financial management. It is a pivot. That is very important. Pivot means I want to say the financial management, it is a employment creator, and the economy, growth of economy, infrastructure, GDP, education, protection to environment, how we can, I want to say means how we can minimize the pollution. This financial means no one can means someone say oh financial management it is not important for pollution, but I can prove that how the financial management is also useful or play a vital role to maintain or suppose how we can reduce the quantity of pollution. So I will prove that after or suppose in next lecture etc. But now when we start the means the subject that is financial management, before starting the means explanation of that subject, each and every person is interested to know what is the meaning of financial and the management. But out of this, each and every person means whether a layman or suppose qualified or degree holder, all are known person about the management. And in daily life, we all are using the word management. Means our day started from the management. So some means maybe a doubt created how you can explain the management. I want to say if your object is clear and if you decided the object, if you set up the goal, if you want to achieve that goal, then the process of management started. Without the goal, there is no need to use the management. If you have no goal, there is no need to use management. If you have a goal, means your interest to achieve that goal anyhow. For that there is a need of management. So on that basis, I say management word depend upon if you want to achieve. The achievement or suppose the goal are different. Some are financial goals. Means if the student wants to pass 3-year degree course, 2-year degree course, etc. The object of that student, he want that degree as per the university norm within 3 years. So how he will get? There is a need to pass the first, second, third year examination, which is conducted by that university. So how you can, so there is a need of thorough knowledge of that particular subjects. We have to do some work for that. You have to formulate the timetable about 365 days and set up the target how many marks you want subject wise. if you set up the target, suppose your target is about 80%. So 80% if you want for each and every base subject, so you think about that how you can achieve. So you discuss this matter with your friends, senior, or suppose the masters, and you collect the information how I can complete the, or suppose how I can go through to complete the study with the help of timetable. Means from some persons you get ideas, some another idea is received from your master, and some another idea, the different ideas may received from your mother and father also. And you have to think to achieve that goal. Means you want that degree within specific time. Means you can't extend the time. You have to attain as per the university date. That's why I press, or suppose I give more pressure, means I put some pressure for that management. The management word when you use if you set up the target. If you want to achieve the target, or if you set up target, so you want to achieve that target, how you can achieve the target? This question raised in your mind. You set up the target, you want to achieve that target. Next question raised in your mind, how I can achieve that target? So you are using the word that is management. That's why on that ground I say management, it is a continuous process, and the process never ending. Management, it is a process, it is never ending. Why I say just like never ending means that each and every man, whether he is a businessman or not, that is not important. Your organization is profit making or not, that is not important. I say if you have a target, your target you decided and you want to achieve, that's why on that ground I put some pressure. Management started when to achieve the target. Another means question raised in your mind, financials. In a general parlance, whenever you read the banner in a market, or you will get Bajaj Finance, Tata Finance, etc. In general parlance, finance means if you approach to such a type of institutions, so you will get a loan from them. Means the terms and conditions may be different as per their norms, etc., as per their requirements, and you will get a loan from that Bajaj Finance, Tata Finance, etc. If you means in general parlance, I say the common word that is loan. You will get a loan from that Bajaj, from that Tata, etc., or suppose from bank, etc. But as per the finance that is very important, finance, because the finance word derived from Latin, and as with that Latin word that is finis, F-I-N-I-S, finis, and on that ground the word emerged out throughout the word, means word accepted, that is finance. So no one can means oppose that finance. So by my explanation, or suppose by which if you discuss this matter with your mother, father, or friend, etc., so you will get such a type of answer. Finance means if you want loan to purchase something. Suppose I want or you want to purchase fridge, cooler, etc., and you have 2,000, 4,000. It is not possible to purchase that fridge because I have or you have only 2,000. If suppose this product is available in market on installment, so each and every person, if he is in need of that fridge, he is ready to to purchase that fridge by paying as a down payment, that is 2,000, to that seller. And you accepted the terms and conditions about interest also. Some interest you have to pay because you get that fridge from that seller. Means power of utilization automatically hand over when the agreement which is made between you and seller. You have to pay down payment 2,000 and you will get a fridge of rupees 10,000. So you can use that from that date. That is not problem. So in general parlance, we all are saying what is the meaning of finance. So it is a loan. And I want to make some explanation because when I attach the word management, financial management, weight increase on that finance. The importance of management also increase because think about that management, it is a common word. This is a common word. But when I attach this word with finance, so automatically importance of management increases. And when I remove the curtain, means I want to repeat here. If I want to remove the curtain of this word financial, so you will get a new meaning of that. What meaning? Because think about that there is a need of man. That man can be called as a manager. Without manager it is not possible. Manager, it is a common word. Manager of a school, manager of a college, manager in a suppose society, cooperative bank, etc. It is a common word. But when I attach the manager word with finance, so I get answer financial manager. If you have information, what is the meaning of finance? Because if I made explanation, what is the meaning of financial manager, but you will not get a transparent information because you are unknown about the finance. That's why I want to make some clarification. What is the meaning of finance? That is very important. Finance means procurement of fund. That is very important. I want to put some pressure here. Procurement of fund. Many avenues are suppose options are available in corporate sector. We all are Indian, so I want to think for India. And I have to use as an example in my subject means India. I am not against the financial management, it is not used throughout the world. It is not possible. Each and every person means human being using the financial management. Means I made an explanation and means I want automatically one example created automatically in my mind, that is, but I want to use here a mother tongue, Hindi. Means I say now human being means Ram, Sham, Ghana, Sham, whatsoever they are using. But I want to say tiger also interested to use the word management. Tiger also. It means you may be you by that by example means you started the laughing. But I want to prove that tiger used the word management. But tiger can't talk with you and we can't speak or talk with the tiger. But I want to again repeat that sentence, tiger using the management. Why I am saying, think about that. Means each and every at present tense, means it is not possible to person to see tiger in jungle. And how he used the management word, it is not possible for each and every person. But due to TV, television, it is easy. With the help of Discovery Channel, National Geography Channel, whatsoever, the tiger set up a type means the object. ये मैं सब हिंदी में बोलूंगा अभी. वो कुछ झाड़ी के पीछे छुप जाता है. जैसा ही उसको कुछ तो भी दिखा. क्या दिखा? तो हिरन दिखा. कैसा दिखा हिरन? कि उसने अब टारगेट सेटअप किया. उसके सामने तो 100 एक है, उसमें से उसको एक होना. 100 तो खा नहीं सकेगा, उसको पता है इतना नहीं खा सकता हूं मैं, इसीलिए वो एक ही चुनेगा. जैसा ही उसके दोनों आंख ने तय कर लिया ऑब्जेक्ट कि ये होना, तो उसका स्पीड, उसकी हलचल और उसका टाइम ये तय हो चुका है उसके दिमाग में. फिर वो दौड़ना शुरू कर देता है. फिर ऐसा दौड़ता है कि उतना दौड़ता है कि जब तक उसको उसका ऑब्जेक्ट यानी हिरन नहीं मिलता तब तक. इसी वजह से मैंने ये बोला कि एनिमल्स आल्सो यूजिंग द वर्ड मैनेजमेंट. तो इसलिए ये प्रूव हो गया कि ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई मैनेजमेंट सिर्फ आदमी इंसान ही इसको ही अकल है, इसके पास ब्रेन है, भाई बात कर सकता है, इसीलिए यही शख्स इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. सभी करते हैं, सभी अपने अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो फिर अपन फिर से अपने वर्ड्स पे जाएंगे. फिनांस. सो फिनांस आई से प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ फंड. प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ फंड, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ फंड. ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. For tiger, I am saying for tiger options are available. क्योंकि इधर हिरन है, उधर वो भैंसा है, पीछे देखा बियर है, और इस साइड देखा तो वो उसको बोलते हैं क्या, गैया है, और इधर देखा तो और कुछ है. ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. सेम थिंग आई वांट टू रिपीट फॉर दैट फिनांस. ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. व्हिच ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल? शेयर, इक्विटी शेयर, प्रेफरेंस शेयर, डिबेंचर्स, शॉर्ट टर्म लोन, लॉन्ग टर्म लोन, means our secured loan, unsecured loan. These are the options are available. That's why we have to procure out of that. Same thing used by that tiger. Options are available. So you have to choose. So when you want to choose from option, there is a need of experience, knowledge, and your thinking power. How it is fruitful for our business, just like the tiger or any wild animals. Now, I use the word procurement of fund. And after that, that is very important. Proper utilization of fund. That is very important. Procurement of funds. Procurement of funds and proper utilization of funds. That is very important. Procurement of funds, proper utilization of funds. So think about that, how you can complete this work. There is a need of man. That man can be named as Financial manager. Financial manager. This financial manager play a vital role. Play a vital role. Means think about that. This work can be completed with the help of financial manager. So this is very important. Procurement of funds. Who can procure the fund? Means the financial manager. That person means financial manager is appointed by a company. Company appointed a financial manager to raise the funds. That's why to raise the fund means procurement of funds and proper utilization of fund. So I use two words here, procurement and utilization. Means this is the main function of this financial manager, and he wants to take decision for the company. That is very important. For the company, because company appointed financial managers to procure the fund and proper utilization of fund. That is very important. So by this definition, you get the meaning about the finance. Finance means procurement of fund and proper utilization of fund. Management, it is a continuous process. Management started. If you set up the goal, or suppose you want to achieve that goal, by that the process started. And I want to give more importance to financial manager. Means what happened here? Company set up, established as per the Act 1956. All our provisions means amended and a new act passed by Indian government, that is 2013. So kept in your mind about this company, means all are the Indian company, and you appointed a financial manager to complete this work. I use here word procurement of funds. So what are options are available in Indian market? Means Indian financial market. What? The one is your equity share. Equity shares. Preference share. Preference shares. Debentures. Debentures. Term loan. Retained earning. RATARNED. Retained earnings. Means these are the options are available in financial market. Equity share capital, preference share capital, debentures, term loan and retained earnings. Suppose to understand means how you can choose out of this. This is very important. Means here is the object. What object of that financial manager? That is very important. Profit maximization. Profit maximization. That is very important. One is profit maximization. Another is at the same time, that is wealth maximization. wealth maximization. Both are very important. Profit maximization and wealth maximization. Means on the basis of this definition, that is your business. Business means any activity. The object of activity to earn something. So all our companies set up to earn something as per their object, etc. Means nature of that company may be different from each other. That is, that all are depend upon the board of directors. Or suppose I say for what purpose the company it is registered. That is also important. So there is no need to think. But the object, that is very important. So I say financial manager play a vital role to maximize the profit and to maximize the wealth. Both are depend each other. I want to say profit depend upon wealth and wealth depend upon profit. And both are depend upon financial manager. And financial manager depend upon. And the company depend upon 140 crore Indians. Someone say Indian, but there is no need to think about the company. But who is the owner of company? Out of 140 crore Indians. So company, the existence of company, that is a different matter, which is means registered as per that 1956, 2013, that is a different matter. This means on the basis of legality. But I want to say that company it is established for 140 crore Indians. That is very important. Means someone say the company is not interested or established for 140 crore, but I say the company established for 140 crore Indians. Because what happened there? We all are selfish. We all are doing the activity, different activity, due to stomach. Think about that. Stomach is absent. So there is no need to do just like. But due to stomach, we all are selfish because each and every person wants to enjoy the nature. Which we received our birth also given by nature. And we will get this nature free of cost. So each and every person is interested to use that nature. That is very important. We all are using that. So same thing, I want to say, company also, it is also selfish. So no one can say, oh that is wrong. No, I want to say good decision taken by we all are selfish. Due to selfish, what selfishness of that company or business? Profit. They want profit anyhow. If suppose company get lost, automatically shut down their door. So think about your requirements. You want, just like I want marker. Can I take a production at my home? No. I want tab, computer, etc. Desk, bench, whatsoever, duster, whiteboard, etc. Can it be possible? Fridge, cooler, AC, bike, four-wheeler, aeroplane, etc. Not possible. So automatically what happened? They serve the 140 crore Indians. All the manufacturing company, businessman, teacher, universities, etc. whatsoever, they serve and all the people of India serving each other. So this is a family. This is a big family. This is a big family. So a company, when I have taken a example, a company, it is one family. They are doing the work to maximize the profit. Maximize the profit. And we all are the customers. We want different types of products. So think about that. The company, the importance of company for you just like a God, just like a nature, etc. The words may be different, but the object is same. So, profit maximization and wealth maximization we will discuss in next video.
Subscribe my channel to learn financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, financial management, financial derivatives, economics, and for other commerce subject at your home. For that, press a bell icon for notification. Post your doubts and queries in comment box. Thank you.